Good morning student. Today I will teach Williams tumor. So Williams tumor is a rare kidney cancer that primarily affects children. That is Williams tumor. Introduction. Williams tumor, also called nephroblastoma, is a type of childhood cancer that start in the kidney. It is most common type of kidney cancer in children. About 9 of the 10 kidney cancer in children are that is called Williams tumor. So in introduction, Williams tumor is a rare kidney cancer that primarily affected in children, also known as nephroblastoma. Williams tumor is the most common cancer of the kidney in children. Williams tumor most often affected children age group about 3 to 4 years and become much less common after 5 years of age. Next is definition. So definition: Williams tumor is a cancer of the kidney that being in the womb that is linked to abnormal chromosomal and congenital renal abnormality. That is a kidney cancer, and it is a main reason to abnormal chromosomal and congenital renal abnormalities. Williams tumor is a type of kidney cancer that occur in children. Williams tumor is the most common form of childhood kidney cancer. The exact reason of the tumor is most common in unknown. That is called Williams tumor. Again I am telling, Williams tumor is a cancer of the kidney that being in the womb that is linked to abnormal chromosomal and congenital renal abnormality. Next is incidence. It is incidence or causes. It occurs 6 to 7% of all childhood malignancies. About 80% of children with the Williams tumor are less than 5 years of age. Peak incidence between 3 to 4 years of age. Incidence: it occurs 6 to 7% of all childhood malignancy. About 80% of children with Williams tumor are less than 5 years of age, and peak incidence 3 to 4 years of age. Some other reason also contribute to incidence. So being black, if black children have slightly higher risk of the developing Williams tumor more than rather than other races. If having a family history of Williams tumor, so child may be affected of Williams tumor. Williams tumor occur more frequently in children with the certain abnormality present in the birth, like aniridia. It is color projection of the eye or a missing iris of the eye, that is called aniridia, and their peak incidence is 3 to 4 years of age. Etiology: it is not clear what causes Williams tumor, but in rare cases heredity may be a play role. Cancer being when a cell develop error in their DNA, means if baby is developed in mother womb, the DNA having a major role for Williams tumor. The accumulation cell form a tuber in Williams tumor is process occur in the kidney cell. It is a slightly common in left kidney, but in 10% of cases both kidney are involved. Prognosis is good if tumor is not removed before it metastasizes, means before spreading the tumor cells or cancer cell. If the tumor is removed, the prognosis is good. So etiology: it is not clear what causes Williams tumor, but in rare cases heredity may be a play role. Main reason of the etiology if cancer being when cell develop error in their DNA, the developing time, growth and developing time in the period of pregnancy, the baby is mainly developing, the main reason is DNA dividing uncontrollable and the error in the error in their DNA. The accumulating cell from a tumor in Williams tumor is a process occur in the kidney cell. It is most common in left kidney. 10% of cases both kidney are involved. Prognosis is good if before metastasize we can remove the tumor cell. Next is clinical sign and symptoms. So first is abdominal swelling, mass, firm or non-tender confirmed to one side of abdomen. Hematuria, constipation, fatigue and malaise, occasional hypertension present in baby, severe weight loss, symptom of metastasize means spreading in other cells, manifestation related to compress of tumor mass, fever. That is all sign and symptom of Williams tumor. Again I am telling, abdominal swelling, abdominal mass can filled, abdominal pain, fever, blood in the urine, that is called hematuria, constipation, swelling or discomfort, nausea, loss of appetite, blood in the urine or discoloration of urine, high blood pressure, and increase and uneven growth of the one side of the body. That is sign and symptom of Williams tumor. Next is stages of Williams tumor. There is 4 stages or 5 stages of the Williams tumor. First is, in first stage the tumor is contained within one kidney and completely restable. First stage the cancer is found in one kidney and generally can be completely removed with surgery. That is 7 centimeter or less than 7 centimeter in first stage of Williams tumor or cancer in kidney. Second is, the tumor has grown beyond the kidney either into nearby fatty tissue or into blood vessels in or near the kidney, but it was removed completely restable. The tumor has grown beyond the kidney means the cancer has spread to the tissues and structure near the affected kidney such as fatty or blood vessels, but it can still be completely removed by surgery. That is second stage of Williams tumor. Third is non-hematogenous spread but confined to abdomen. In third stage, the cancer has spread beyond the kidney area to nearby lymph node or other structures within the abdomen and it not be completely removed by surgery. Fourth one is hematogenous spread to the lungs, liver, brain, bones or lymph node for any from the node from away from the kidney. In fourth stage, the cancer has spread to distant structure means variety of structure or such as liver, lungs, bone or brain or lymph nodes. Last one is fifth one, bilateral renal involvement. It means cancer cell are found in the both kidney. So stages of Williams tumor, it is mainly 5 types. So first is stage 1, The cancer is found only in one kidney and generally can be completely removed with surgery. It is less than 7 centimeter. The second stage is the cancer has spread to the tissue and structure near the affected kidney such as fat or blood vessels, but it can still be completely removed by surgery. That is second stage, and it is more than 7 centimeter. Third stage, the cancer has spread beyond the kidney in other organ to nearby lymph node or other structure within the abdomen, and it may not be completely removed by surgery. Then fourth stage of William tumor, the cancer has spread to distant structures such as lungs, liver, bones or brain. And last one is fifth stage of cancer or fifth stage of Williams tumor. Cancer cells are found in both kidney. Next is diagnostic evaluation or diagnostic test. So firstly we can collect history taking, physical examination, then urine analysis, and urine analysis, LFT means liver function test or renal function test is main. Then hematology test means completely blood test, then CT scan, MRI, then abdominal USG, last is kidney biopsy. That is all diagnostic evaluation of Williams tumor. Next is treatment. In treatment, therapeutic management, that is combined treatment, surgery and chemotherapy with or without radiation based or histologic pattern and clinical stage. And second is pre-operational chemotherapy follow with the surgery. In therapeutic management, treatment for Williams tumor unusually involves surgery and chemotherapy, sometimes with or without, but treatment may vary by the stage of the cancer. Means variety of cancer we can only firstly we check patient is going in which stage of kidney cancer, because this type of cancer is rare. The doctor may recommended that seek treatment at the children cancer center that has experience treating this type of cancer. If the child is diagnosed with the condition, do not prod or push on the child's belly area. Again I am telling, do not prod or push on the belly area. Use care during breathing. Use care during bathing and handling to avoid injury to the tumor site, mainly child's belly area. Again I am telling, that is kidney side. If the child is diagnosed with this condition, do not prod or push on the child's belly area or kidney side area. Use care during bathing and handling to avoid injury to the tumor site. First step in treatment is to the stage the tumor. Staging help doctor determine how far the cancer has spread and to plan for the best treatment. In medication, some medication we can give an antiemetic treatment because patient having clinical sign and symptom in nausea and vomiting, so we can give Jofer may be administered to treat nausea and vomiting. Then antibiotic for prophylaxis may administer to prevent infection of the post procedural incision. Next is, if both kidney are involved, pre-operative chemo and radiation and partial nephrectomy of less affected kidney and total nephrectomy of affected kidney, then transplantation and post-operative chemotherapy. Next, again I am telling, in therapeutic management and the both kidney are involved, removing the part of the kidney affected. Partial nephrectomy involve removal of the tumor and part of the kidney tissue surrounding it. Partial nephrectomy may be an option if the child cancer is very small or if the child has only one functional kidney, and removing the affected kidney and surrounding tissue. A radiation nephrectomy in a radial nephrectomy, doctor remove the kidney surrounding tissue including the ureter and adrenal gland. Nearby lymph node also may be removed. The remaining kidney can increase its capacity and take over the entire job of filtering the blood. And what is chemotherapy? So in chemotherapy, chemotherapy uses powerful drug to kill cancer cell throughout the body. Chemotherapy treatment usually involve a combination of drugs that work together to kill the cancer cell. Chemotherapy can be administered through a vein or taken in pill form. Again I am telling chemotherapy. What is chemotherapy? Chemotherapy use powerful drug to kill cancer cell throughout the body. Chemotherapy treatment usually involve a combination of drug that work together to kill cancer cell. Chemotherapy can be administered through a vein or taken in a pills form. And their side effects also. The common side effect is nausea and vomiting and loss of appetite, hair loss and frequent infection. That is chemotherapy.